Let's find the highest sales month value that we found using index match in the previous training video with Xlookup, which we started using in the new versions. We write equals Xlookup, and first of all, what is the value we are looking for? I open the maximum parenthesis here again and look for the maximum value in this range. Comma or semicolon. Look at the usage of the formula. If you see a comma here, write a comma. If you see a semicolon, write a semicolon. So where am I looking for this? I'm looking for it in the range here again. Look, semicolon. So where am I going to bring this value if I find its maximum value in this range? I'm selecting the months here, and since I'm going to pull the formula down, we press F4. If you're using a laptop, we press F and F4 from the keyboard. I close the parenthesis. When I press enter, you see that the results come in the same way. Let's do it again. I came here, equals Xlookup. First of all, what am I looking for? Look, I opened the maximum value in parentheses. I say find me the maximum value in this range. Semicolon, where am I looking for this? I scan the range again. Semicolon, and where do I need it? We select the range with the months above and do it by pressing F4 or Fn F4 on the keyboard. When we press enter, this value appears. Using the new formulas, using the Xlookup formula, we can find the month value of the highest sales in a sales range in this way. If the Xlookup formula is not available in the versions you use, we found it with the index match formula in the previous training video. You can watch the previous training video. Please do not forget to like my channel, like the videos on my channel, subscribe, comment, and share. See you again in the next training video.